Today, I'll show you how to protect a document in LibreOffice. Whether you're working on sensitive content or simply want to add an extra layer of security to your documents, setting up password protection in LibreOffice is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and learn how to do just that. First things first, you want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official LibreOffice website to ensure you have the latest version. Once you have it up and running, you'll see a range of options for different document types. Next, click on the Writer document. This option is similar to Microsoft Word and is where you'll create or edit your text documents. Once your document is open, take a moment to ensure everything is formatted as you'd like, because any changes you make after enabling password protection will require you to re-enter your password. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This menu contains several options, but for our purpose, we need to focus on saving the document securely. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. This is an important step because it allows you to choose where to save your document and under what name. More importantly, this is where you'll enable the password protection feature. In the Save As dialog box, look for an option that says Save with Password. This is a small checkbox typically located below the file name and format options. Click this checkbox to enable the password protection feature. This step is crucial as it activates the security settings for your document. After enabling Save with Password, click the Save button. When you do this, a new window will pop up asking you to enter a password. This password is what will be required each time someone attempts to open the document, so make sure it's something secure yet memorable. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 1234 or password. Once you've entered your chosen password, you'll need to confirm it. The confirmation ensures there are no typos in your password, which could potentially lock you out of your own document. After re-entering the password, click OK to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your document is now protected with a password in LibreOffice. Every time you or anyone else tries to open this document, they will be prompted to enter the password you just set. This is a great way to keep your sensitive information safe from unauthorized access. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to protect a document in LibreOffice. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using LibreOffice effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy documenting!